customer's complaining that the pool pump won't prime properly and that there's not a lot of pressure from the return outlets on the pool. So let's check and see what the problem might be. The first thing I'm going to do is to take the filter out of the equation by putting it on to recirculate and checking the water flow. But unfortunately there's not a lot of improvement in water flow. So at this stage the filter's not the issue, so we need to check the pump. One of the ongoing problems at this pool are the bamboo plants. They shed a lot of leaves. There's a grass, it's constantly growing all year and dropping leaves, and as a result the skimmer box is often full. As you can see, the water level in the pump isn't dropping, so we need to check the pump for blockages. If you take a look inside, you can see the impeller's blocked with bamboo. As you can see, there's quite a bit in there. It doesn't take very much to restrict water flow. There we go, good suction and good discharge back to the pool. Another happy customer.